quick video on proper belt tension for the Magnuson superchargers with the 30mm wide cogs. There's only one other video on YouTube, I think, and it's not accurate whatsoever, nor does it have anything specific. So you want to make sure your bracket bolts here are seated all the way in, but just backed off, let's say about 1/4 of a turn. That makes sure that this bracket here isn't, if your bolts are too loose, this bracket could come away from the blower here as you tighten this, and then you torque this down to the proper spec, and then when you go tighten this bracket down, it's going to pull it back to where it belongs, and then it'll give you more tension than you initially wanted to do. So loosen these things a little bit. You got everything all tightened up. Make sure you have the right bolts, because these cog pulleys are pretty thick, and like compared to my Grip Tech stuff, they needed longer bolts. I think the Grip Tech stuff was 16mm long, and these M6 1.0 bolts are maybe the other ones were 12mm long. These is probably 16mm. Don't quote me on that part. 89 inch-pounds with blue Loctite. But anyway, so these things a little bit loose, just like 1/4 turn. 15 inch-pounds on this. Inch-pounds, 15 inch-pounds. And then once that's done, give this a couple turns, make sure everything is seated correctly. 15 inch-pounds, 25 foot-pounds on these, 25 foot-pounds. Torque that down, and you're good to go.